for one more ride?
Yeah, man.
Go ahead.
I want to ride the Sportster S again, can I?
Yeah, we have two Sportster S.
Yeah, I want to ride that one again.
We have that one with the mid control, and this one is the forward control.
Let me try the mid.
That one is like a voice. So actually, it's the first time riding this bike?
I just rode that black one.
Okay, the right one. Yeah, it's the same. So you control the screen here. You change the GPS, and
okay.
You have to connect your phone first, and then everything.
Where's the turn for right, left? Turn indicators.
It's gonna be
right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like a universal or Japanese or metric mode.
Gotcha.
And enjoy your ride.
Yeah, thank you, sir. All right, we got it in road right now. All right, so this is going to be the second time around. Whoop. Well, this one's got mid controls on it, so I wanted to try it out. Mid controls. Now, right from the start, I feel a little bunched up. We'll see what I say at the end of the ride. How about that? All right, so this is Sportster S ride number 2. So what's different about this one is this Sportster S has mid controls, and he said it was in sport mode, and he showed me how to change it. I'm still not used to the clutch on this. And it's in road mode right now, so when we get out here on the road a little bit, I'm gonna hit that button, see if we can put it in sport mode and see what happens. Okay, now I know where the turn signals are. On the first ride I couldn't figure it out. I didn't know where the turn indicators were. It was driving me nuts. Starting to get used to that that clutch, that friction zone on this one. There we go, that's better. I'm telling you, what a great motorcycle. Second time around. You know, here's the thing, here's my problem. I'm sitting on the black one, right? And I'm like, I love this color. It looks fantastic. And then I'm on the maroon one and I'm looking at this one going, God, I love this color. It looks fantastic. I've got problems. I've got problems, y'all. Really, I do. I don't know where they're going, but I'm going this way. All right. So Sportster S, second ride. And we're gonna hit mode, whoop, and now it's in sport mode. God. And I'll just say this, for you bozos out there that say a Sportster is a girl's bike, you gotta be out of your mind. This motorcycle right here will dust my 117 CVO. I'm so surprised by how comfortable it is. It just feels, extremely, it's weird. It's like, it feels extremely maneuverable, yet it really hugs the road. You know, I feel like I am firmly planted to the asphalt here. And that's a good sign. That's what you want, right? There is quite a bit of wind. I would probably get a little windshield or something, but man, what a great bike if you're just going to be zipping around town or to and from work, or what a great bike. So as you guys might have caught that at the first of the video, but you know, this bike comes with Bluetooth, and you're able to integrate it to the motorcycle, and you know, play straight to your Sena or your headset. Got your different modes that you can flip through. I believe it's got a rain mode and a sport mode, a road mode, or you can do a combination of any of those with all types of customizations. But all in all, I'm really surprised. It is a fun bike. Now, if I just had to pick right now, you know, about halfway through this ride, the forward controls are a lot more comfortable for me. I would definitely go with forward controls over mids. I just feel a little more stretched out, a little more comfortable. I don't know if you guys can see that display really well on video, but man, it is lit up and it looks so nice. It really, really does. It's lit up really clear in the daylight, easy to see. Actually, it's a lot easier to see than what's on my street glide. It looks really good. And what about the price point on the Sportster S? I mean, that's tough to beat, in my feeble opinion. You know, 15 grand for this motorcycle, for Harley Davidson, for a brand new Harley Davidson. And that's not bad. It's not bad at all. And especially for that price point, you're getting all the technology, the RDRS, and the new display, and the Revolution engine that comes, you know, with the Pan America. You get that one in the Sportster S. Tough to beat. Oh, I love that little turn right there. That's cool. I would love to take this guy up on the Cherahalla Skyway. And have a good old time. God. I mean, you just twist the throttle, it just takes off. So much power and so much torque on this bike. I mean, you really could get yourself in a lot of trouble on this motorcycle. I mean, you've no kidding, you've got to have some type of self-discipline and respect for that much power. Wow. And then we just kind of dip around this corner like that, downshift. Whoopsie. Super smooth going through the gears. The mid controls feel a little clumsy to me, but that's just because of what I'm used to. And all right, so we're going to get on the freeway one more time. And so I'll tell you this, as we were going down the freeway just a few minutes ago, I just kind of had my feet resting on the pegs a little bit and just wanted to see if the motorcycle was comfortable at cruising speeds. And it really was, you know, it really was comfortable. I wasn't expecting it to feel that natural of a posture, but it really did. I was pleasantly surprised. So this really is a great motorcycle that Harley has put together on this one, and I'm a big fan of the Sportster S. I like it. I really think I could stay on this motorcycle for hours and be just fine. I mean, this is my second ride. I've probably been on this bike now for 40-45 minutes combined between this one and the first one, and I'm not uncomfortable in the slightest. My butt feels just fine. You know, it's like anything else. If you're going to do some type of aftermarket parts and pieces or whatever, low fuel, I probably would put a more comfortable seat on it just for the sake of having it. But yeah, great bike. See, there's one coming right at us. Great bike. Now I'll tell you where this bike feels so much different than my Street Glide is at low speeds like this. Really easy to hold up, really easy to maneuver at slow speeds. Thank you, sir.